Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your iPhone in 2025. Clearing cache can help free up storage and make your device run faster. So first of all, open the Settings app on your device, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Here, you will see a list of apps and how much storage they're using. Now, tap on any app that you want to clear cache for. You will see an option to offload app or delete app. Offloading removes the app but keeps its documents and data, which can help free up storage without losing your files. Now, for Safari, go back to the main settings menu and scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. After that, scroll again and tap on Safari. Then search for clear history and website data and tap on it. Then tap on Clear History to confirm. This will remove cache, cookies and browsing history from your device. And that's all. By following these steps, your iPhone will have less clutter and run smoother. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.